Hello, students and traders. Good morning. Welcome to another session of the All-Round Analyst. I'm your favorite host, FX Calapanzi, and today we're going to be running through the market really quickly. Yesterday we looked at the Euro-US dollar. So for today, we'll look at it. No, we won't look at the Euro-US dollar again. That would be a business for Monday. But today I'd like us to look at NZD USD real quick. It's a trade I caught yesterday. Just woke up to see that I've been stopped out, even though in profit. Okay, so I will look at it real quick. Okay, so here is the NZD US dollar. Here's the NZD US dollar, and this is the trade I took. But the question is, how did I find that trade? So here on the 4-hour, I noticed the market moving in a swing. I saw this move, the upswing, the pullback, and then I saw this push to the upside, a little bit down, a push this way, taking out this structure, a pullback into this other block down here, and then I waited for an entry. Okay, I expected a reversal around here that will take us all the way up to the north. Okay, and we had just that. So having had that set up, the next thing is to scale down. Scale down. I don't trade the 4-hour. I don't trade large time frames. I like to come down to a lower time frame. So here is our expectation. Expect the market to come perhaps all the way up here, either to deal with the other block or to take it out completely as a level of resistance, okay, where it's going to have to grab liquidity. Now we saw the market come all the way down here, and thus this brought the up push. This up push was targeted at closing and mitigating orders all the way up here, and that was obviously that was close, came really close to doing that. Okay, so that was the reason for this up push, and then came the down move, and this down move came and also found some support around this other block here, and that gave it this U-turn. So I saw this as a U-turn within the other block, and I expected the market to push upward. Now the question was, how do I make my entry? Okay, so I wanted to see a reversal, the market breaking structure, price breaking market structure. Let me show you. Market had come back to my origin, which I call the return to origin. So I wanted to see a break of structure, minor structure at this point in time, somewhere here, a break of this structure, market pulls back and then goes up with my trade entry at this point. And I'm excited to tell you that we got that trade. Okay, we'll just take off a couple of things. So you see how I made that trade. So you basically have an idea of how I place my trades and what I look out for. Okay, so here we are. We had a reversal at this level already. Okay, near reversal, near reversal at that level, just micro pips shy of it. Okay, then we have the market come all the way down here and give us a reversal at this level. Okay, so that was a reversal. Now we'd like to go into a smaller time frame to enable us to take advantage of this market. If you look at the 30 minutes, let's look at that real quick. What do we see? Okay, blah. See the market go up, we see the market return. Now we want to make our exposure as small as possible. We had the risk rather, yeah, risk and exposure about the same thing as small as possible. We had it come here and we had a minor break of structure above this point. We saw the break of structure here. So what do we want to see? We wanted to see market return to this other block right now. So other block will switch and we're looking at it somewhere around here. Last up move before the down move. Okay, so this would have been our target for a possible entry. But what happened? The market did not respect that level. It came and broke through it, went lower than it. And with that, this trade setup is over. Okay, so we wouldn't be taking that trade. So we looked for the next, and then we saw the market begin to come up again with this break of structure. So we waited for a break of structure up here. We got our break of structure here. What we needed was for the market to return to the origin, which is here, this other block from which the prices originated. And we saw the market dive nicely right into it and gave us the U-turn. Now this was the dive in and the U-turn. At that point in time, our trade was open, and buy trade, the risk of about 1 to 6, and that was how our trade was open. Okay, so I'll clear up the chart a little bit. Okay, so our trade was open at this point here, risk being at this level. And how do we like to trade? Okay, so with our entry at this level, maybe the market started moving. What we're waiting for, waiting for market to come to this high. And at that high, we're looking to partial. But the moment the market reversed around here, reacting to this other block here, I took my first level of partial. So I closed half of my position. And then I moved my stop loss to a little bit above break, even locking in profit somewhere around here. And so I taken half of my profit. And with this locking of profit, I was completely risk-free on this trade. And we saw the market all through the night, cokes go down, go up, go down, up, and finally hit our stop loss at this level. And with that, we're out of this trade. Now the trade is not, the entire up move, expected up move is not ended until this level here is taken out. But my equity management plan, equity and trade management plan allowed me to take part of my profit at this level at about 2.5. And then locked in profit. So being completely risk-free on this trade is better than just staying completely exposed and staying in. Now, what I'll be looking out for now is a possible re-entry. What do I want to see for a re-entry? I want to see market has come back. I want to take this as an origin which the market has set again. So when I want to see the market come up, break structure at this level, come back down to this other block, and then go all the way up. And I will be looking to enter at that point again. When the market comes at that level, that will be a re-entry for me. And more often than not, re-entries bring lower risks, a better risk-reward ratio. Now, if we look at this, compared with initial 1 to 6.64, this is giving us a 1 to 7.87. So I stand to lose nothing. Already made profit here. When it comes back, gives me another chance for a re-entry. I enter and make another profit up here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's basically how the market functions. We try to keep our trading short and simple, keeping our attention always fixed on making profits, not making profits, but primarily keeping our risk as small as possible. Okay, so here is where I'm gonna have to leave you and love you. Wish you a profitable day, an exciting one at that, and stay safe, stay out of trouble. Have fun while you trade, make money on the market, stay profitable. This is FX Kalapanzi, and I'm out.